Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It is Wednesday, November 13th, 20 to 24, 2:40 p.m. here in the farm fields of Valparaiso. Let's get right into the Bitcoin. Think I was off on the wave count, so I have relabeled, pulled some new fibs, and this is what we're looking at. That target for wave, formerly known as wave 5, was 93,000. We hit 93, like 93.5. Did it go that high? Yeah, it's around 93.5, but I've reconsidered the entire structure and we're calling that wave 3 instead of wave 5. And this fast move here, and this showed us it hit like almost ideal fib target for a retracement into a quick 4, and it hit at the 50% right there at 89 293 and change. And now I think this move is back up. I think the move is continuing back up to 96,000. Will I be right? I don't know. But I think so. I mean, Bitcoin looks to have legs remaining. In fact, and I missed the trade. I actually had a good position that I was about to take in BitX, which is a 2-time exposure to Bitcoin to the bull side. But I was able to enter 1,000 shares for my lady friend, Stacy, and she bought at 53.90 and it's currently trading at 54.25. So I'm going to put a nice tight stop in there. Probably, and this is where I was looking. It wasn't at this bottom, this right here, but it was in the 52s. It was like 52.86. And then I can't remember what distracted me, but I'm sure you're not surprised I was distracted. Missed that entry because it just moved right up real fast. So that's what I'm looking at right now on the Bitcoin, looking for a target of 96. If that plays out, that BitX position that Stacy is in will look very nice. And then I will take a position if it gets back, because again, it never goes up in a straight line, even though it looks like it does from time to time. If you look in here closely at this chart, you can see all the different movements up and down before getting to where it wants to go. It went down fast and back up all the way here, retesting, and then all the way down to what I think is now the local bottom on 4, and then this would be the local top. It's not going to be done yet. This will be 5 of 3. Then we'll have a decent, like it'll feel scary pullback, drawdown, and then it'll finally hop up over 100,000. That's the plan, and that's what we're sticking to. But as far as trades in general, wow. I'm playing shoots and ladders again today. All the positions on the board are underwater. My Soxel $30 puts that expire on Friday are down $320. What's Soxel trading at? My Soxel position, you see there, down $3,100. It is currently on the money on those puts at $29.94. I still feel good about this trade, but it's not feeling good about me. You see, we have the average cost of $30.99, $89,790 market value currently, which is down $31.93 from what we paid. See, you see the BitX that I was looking at. Should have made that trade. It doesn't mean it won't give me another opportunity, because I see Bitcoin is moving down just a bit as we speak. Another one that I think I'm right in, but I'm way down in my whiskey, is the TMF, which is a 3 times exposure to the TLT. Not the TLT directly, but what it represents. Average cost $45.92, down $12,468 bills as it's trading at 44.14. I don't know if I recorded this last tranche. Maybe 44.56. Did I write that down over here? Yeah, so there's the 2000. The latest purchase was 44.56. I did already have a successful, I should say, finally had what feels like a long time since I've had a successful trade, which was just days ago. But today we did have a successful trade. Natural gas looked like it was set up to make a move north. So I went with, of course, the leveraged ETF. Boyle bought 1,000 shares at 40.22. And then I just kept moving my stops up while I was at the gym. Yep, finally returned to the gym also and moved it up to like 41. I was excited. then I have to pay attention, just can work on my lats while the profit was going to be locked in. Then I'm like, hey, still going up. Moved it to 42, then moved it to 43, and then I did get stopped out at 43 for a profit of $2,780. Let's go to the other charts I have on the board, which are a lot today. Silver, I think it's and we talked about it, or this is where the FinTwits were telling me that we've bottomed. I think we still got that lower low in there. It hasn't proven to be true yet, but I know the FinTwits were saying, see, I told you so, when it was up here today, but it has retreated back down. It's at 30.33. I still believe we're going to get a 29 handle in there, and I'll be waiting to pounce on some AGQ, which is a 2 times bull on silver, the AGQ. So Bitcoin currently at 90,829. What do we have here? So there was the natural gas that we got involved in this morning. This was the chart that I was basing my Boyle trade on, and it's done very well today. So I did get stopped out where I could still be making money there, but I'll take the profit all day, every day, and twice on a Sunday. There's the TMF. Let's go to TLT. Let's go to TLT, which we base the TMF on as far as my trading plan is concerned. And slowly but surely this chart will come up. In the meantime, I'll entertain you. So you think you're, I was going to sing you a song, but so you know what I got? I got the warning Will Rogers here. It's trying to test it again. Got a little green going up. We got to get on up and head on through 93. And then we'll make enough money to feel really, really good about ourselves. What's up here? Oh, so where's the TMF? Back here? Yeah. You could see it's been a violent mover today, mostly violently moving down. So will this be the bottom this time? Please tell me it is. Please tell me that it is, because I want to start feeling better about myself as far as that. Because, you get on a heater with these trades and you're like, hey, man, check me out. Future's so bright, I got to wear shades. And the next thing you know, you're like downtown to Chinatown. The market will always slap you around, I think, in that scenario. And that's what it's doing to me over the last couple of days. But am I overly concerned? I am not. I'm not overly concerned. Okay, S&P 500, aka in this regard SPX. Yeah, I know. I got too many tabs open, and this tribute operates properly. Never cooperates. It's now stopped on this video, so hopefully it's just. Where are you? Are we back in business? We got the rainbow circle of dread. Are we recording? Is this thing on? Hello? All I see is my mouth agape and my head is frozen. But can we get to another chart? In the meantime, what else do we have up here? It's giving me nothing. Oh, yeah. SPX. Are you going to come up? Are you going to present yourself? Am I still recording? Am I still talking? Anyways, in the meantime, what do we got? We got USO at 70.82. I definitely wanted to show you the USO chart for shizzle. So this is what I'm looking at right now on the S&P 500. It played, and you saw we put that up here. We put this 4-wave in up here, and that has played out very well. It's making its move up into wave 5, which I believe to be 6,100, maybe even more. So that's what I'm looking at on the S&P 500, aka in this regard SPX. Can we in any way pull up another chart while my computer runs extremely slow? If you are still tuned in and this is still recording, thank you so much for your patience. I think USO is currently set up brilliantly, but that is just me because I have a position in UCO, which is a 2 times bull on US oil. I think I've counted a 5-wave move to the impulsive side, and I think we're now in the wave C of the corrective side. What we would need to see next to confirm this is 5 waves up, and along the way, we take out this local recent high, and I'd love to see progress in that even in the last 10 minutes of this particular trading day. We'll see if any of this video processes properly. I have problems with my system from time to time, which is this right here, the Vidyard screen recorder and screen capture. I keep threatening you that I'll come up with a better setup. I haven't done that yet, but that's what I'm looking at. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and let's cheer Bitcoin on for another move higher into the $95,000, $96,000 range. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.